In this video, I will show you how you can tether your iPad to any Android phone. Basically, we will share the internet from our Android phone to our iPad. Now to do that, first of all, on your Android phone, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Mobile Network. From here, just make sure you enable mobile data on your Android phone. After that, just go back to the main settings page and search this. Now just tap on Personal Hotspot and make sure you enable the toggle for personal hotspot on your Android phone. Now under hotspot settings, you will find the name and the password of your hotspot. Now after you enable personal hotspot, then on your iPad just go to settings and from here just tap on Wi-Fi. Now under other networks, you will find the name of your Android phone. As you can see, this is the name of our Android phone, and if we scroll down, we will find the signal of our Android phone. Now just tap on the signal of our Android phone and enter this passcode in this section. After you enter the passcode setting from your Android phone to your iPad, then just tap on enter and you will successfully connect your iPad to the hotspot of your Android phone, and you will be able to share the internet from your Android phone to your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.